The busy streets are bustling with activities and life goes on. Under the bright sunshine, everybody's face is brimming with new hopes. However, human life is full of impermanence. Who will know that before long, when something is wrong with their health, when a lingering disease quietly corrodes each and every organ in their body, these smiling faces will disappear without being noticed. Statistics from the Ministry of Health reveals that each year, 2,000 Malaysians are found to have suffered from the kidney disease, and this figure is on the steady increase. In the vast sea of human beings, have you ever thought that one day we may also suffer the same fate as these patients when our doctor confirms that we have contracted the kidney disease and only renal dialysis can temporarily prolong our lives? However, only 10% of the kidney disease sufferers can be given dialysis treatment in the government hospitals throughout the country. In the private hospitals, each dialysis session will cost between 150 ringgit and 250 ringgit, and since each patient needs 3 sessions of dialysis treatment a week, this works out to 1,950 ringgit and 3,250 ringgit per month, which is several months' income of a person if he or she does not spend a cent on food, drinks and other expenses. Think about it. The suffering public who can neither get government assistance nor afford the charges imposed by private hospitals. Surely it does not mean that they just have to sit up and wait for daybreak. The kidney disease more than a year ago and had since been receiving dialysis treatment at University Hospital, which being a corporatized hospital, charged him nearly 2,000 ringgit a month. As a working class, how can he afford such a high bill? His salary goes towards paying for household and educational expenses. When he had to foot such a high bill for dialysis treatment, his family has been plunged into a state of panic. These patients will face pressure from the society and the families, both physiologically and psychologically. Since they have to undergo dialysis treatment every other day, there'll be no boss willing to employ such a sick employee. This is a social pressure. On the other hand, family pressure comes mainly from the huge dialysis bill. As a result, the patients are prone to be deserted by the family members. Their body is weak and cannot do heavy manual labor. The kidney disease patients will face the predicament of unemployment and inability to bear the medical expenses. Many of them have committed suicide as a result. They will face death if they stop undergoing 3 sessions of renal dialysis treatment. This is because the blood in their body will become so dirty that the organs will not be able to tolerate.